I'm going to show you the exact system we use to make sure an auto shop never misses another call. Every piece, how it connects, and how you could set one up yourself. Plus, I made a free playbook with the scripts and templates so you can take it and run. Here's the reality at most auto shops. The phone rings 12 times during the morning rush. Your service advisor is writing up a ticket, the other line's on hold, and a new customer just walked in. Something's gonna get dropped. The math is brutal. The average repair order at an independent shop is around $280. Every call that goes to voicemail is a potential $280 walking out the door, often to the shop down the street that actually picked up. Most shops we talk to are missing somewhere between 20 and 40% of inbound calls during peak hours. That's not a phone problem, it's a capacity problem. And you don't solve a capacity problem by telling your team to answer faster. So here's the system that fixes it. And I want to walk you through every layer so you actually understand what's happening, not just that it works. There are 4 layers. The phone layer catches every call. The AI agent layer handles the conversation. The integration layer syncs with your shop management system. And the follow-up layer makes sure nothing falls through the cracks after the call ends. Layer 1, the phone. This is the foundation, and it's simpler than most people think. Your existing shop number stays the same. We route it through a system that tries your team first. If nobody picks up in 3 rings, the AI answers instead of voicemail. During business hours, it's a safety net. After hours, it's your entire front desk. The customer never knows the difference. They hear a natural voice, not a robot, not a phone tree, not "please listen carefully as our menu options have changed." The key detail? It uses your shop's actual phone number for caller ID when it texts or calls back. To the customer, it's just your shop responding. Clean, seamless, professional. Layer 2, the actual conversation. This is where the craft is. The AI needs to handle the top scenarios your front desk deals with every day. Scenario 1, a new customer calls to schedule. The AI greets them, asks what service they need, checks your real-time availability, and books the appointment, all in about 90 seconds. Scenario 2, a customer calls about their vehicle status. The AI pulls the current status from your shop system, parts ordered, in progress, ready for pickup, and gives them an honest update without your text stopping what they're doing. Scenario 3, the hard one. An unhappy customer calls about a repair that didn't fix the problem. The AI doesn't try to handle this. It captures the details, apologizes sincerely, and transfers to a manager or schedules a priority callback. Knowing when not to handle something is what makes it trustworthy. Layer 3, integrations. This is where most DIY setups fail. The AI is only as good as what it can see and touch in your existing systems. At minimum, it needs 3 connections. Your scheduling system, so it books into real open slots, not fake ones. Your customer database, so it knows who's calling and their vehicle history. And your notification system, so your team gets alerted the right way. We connect it to whatever shop management system you're already running. TechMetric, Shopware, Mitchell, AutoFluent, doesn't matter. The AI reads from it and writes back to it, so your team sees everything in one place. Layer 4, and this is the one most shops don't even think about: automated follow-up. The call ends, but the work isn't done. After a booking, the customer gets a confirmation text. Day before, a reminder. After the service, a satisfaction check. Declined a repair recommendation. 30 days later, a friendly nudge. This runs automatically, every single time, for every single customer. The declined repair follow-up alone is worth the entire system for most shops. Think about how many customers said no thanks to a brake job or a timing belt, and you never circled back. Each one of those is revenue sitting on the table. Now, let's talk about measuring it, because if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. 5 numbers tell you if your front desk is working. Call answer rate should be above 95%. Booking conversion. What percentage of calls turn into appointments? Average repair order. Is it trending up? Declined repair recovery. Are you following up? And customer satisfaction. Are people happy with the experience? We track all 5 automatically and put them in a dashboard your team can check anytime. When a number dips, we know exactly where to tune. Real talk on cost. A full-time front desk person costs $40,000 to $50,000 a year with benefits. The AI front desk system costs a fraction of that, handles unlimited calls, and works nights and weekends. But I'll say this clearly, it does not replace your service advisors. They still handle the walk ins, the complex jobs, the relationships. The AI handles the overflow, the after hours, and the follow up, so your people can focus on the customers who are standing in front of them. I put together a free playbook that has everything we just covered: the call flow diagrams, 12 word for word AI receptionist scripts for the most common scenarios, a KPI tracking spreadsheet you can start using today, and a vendor checklist if you want to evaluate options. It's genuinely useful, whether you work with us or not. I made it because every shop owner deserves to understand this stuff. Link is in the description.